Part 2.
It looks like Oreos, seriously. It actually,
Show 'em.
like a McFlurry once you've like mixed it up. Whoa.
I don't really see it. Here, give it. I'll show you.
No, stop it. They don't have to say.
We're gonna have like 5 parts. Since every time you try to. The hell was that?
We're gonna need a little bit of black.
Oh, it was a magpie.
Has we using black? Yeah, kookaburra half and get the animals
Yeah,
right.
I know, but there's a little magpie right there.
Who cares?
Are there magpies in America?
I don't know. Ask an American. Or search it up. Ask Siri.
I see. Oh, my legs actually hurt like
Okay,
so
so
bad.
flip
I'm
over.
doing like, I've been doing like handsprings. Molly, that's gonna make it. Don't add a lot of food coloring.
Yes, I know. I know how to make slime papa. I was making it before you. 2017. Little, like, 7-year-old me was making slime. Look, it's a nice colour. It's like a, oh, it looks really bad.
understand. Why are you being so mean?
Okay,
Or
so that's the colour. What, I feel like?
Like, you should do dark blue. I'll have to bleep that out with my mascara.
Okay,
I literally just voice it over and do
no,
that.
still, actually, I feel cool.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Oh, you can always get more. This way you trust the process.
Yeah, trust the process.
Yeah, no, I just got red all over my hands. I mean, look, this is my shorts. These shorts were like $50.
Maybe you should wanted to do slime. Every time I do slime, you want to do slime. Even when my friends are sleeping, like, oh.
That is fine.
Yeah, I know, so why don't you do it? Do you only do it when I do it? Your slime's gonna get really, really glittery. It's gonna happen what happened last time, remember, with that big ball of slime?
Really.